Hello and welcome to Bonnie's Life, your go-to channel for navigating the electrifying world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host, Bonnie, and today we're diving deep into the crypto market's latest roller coaster ride. The past 72 hours have been a whirlwind of activity, and the last 24 have been nothing short of a Hollywood blockbuster. We've seen some major plot twists, a few unexpected heroes, and even a cliffhanger or two. So grab your popcorn, or maybe just a strong cup of coffee because we're about to break it all down. We'll be dissecting the technical charts, digging into the fundamental drivers, and even getting a little help from some of the biggest brains in the business. And don't worry, we'll keep it fun and easy to understand, whether you're a seasoned pro or just crypto curious. By the end of this episode, you'll not only know what happened, but you'll also understand why it happened and what it could mean for your trading strategy. So, are you ready to ride the crypto wave with me? Let's get started. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The crypto market has been on a tear, and the numbers are telling a fascinating story. Over the last 24 hours, the total crypto market cap has swelled to a whopping $4.06 trillion. That's a 1.4% jump in just one day. It's like the entire crypto world decided to throw a party, and almost everyone was invited. In fact, 90 out of the top 100 coins are flashing green. Now let's talk about the king and queen of crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, the OG of the crypto world, has been on an absolute monster run, smashing through the $114,000 barrier and hitting a two-week high. It's currently trading at a very healthy $114,305.15. It seems like Bitcoin has finally woken up from its nap and is ready to conquer new kingdoms. Ethereum, the queen of smart contracts, is not far behind. It's up 2.34% in the last 24 hours, trading at $4,416.53. It even flirted with the $4,450 mark, showing some serious strength. And let's not forget about the altcoins. While the majors are having their moment, some of the smaller coins are absolutely stealing the show. We're talking about coins like Pump, AVAX, and MNT, which have seen gains of 8 to 11% in the last day. It's a reminder that sometimes the underdogs have the biggest bite. So, what's fueling this crypto frenzy? Is it just a bunch of hype, or are there some real fundamental forces at play? Well, it turns out there's a whole lot of substance behind this surge. The biggest story of the week is the latest US inflation data. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, came in softer than expected, which is like music to the ears of crypto investors. Why? Because it signals that the Federal Reserve might finally be ready to ease up on its aggressive interest rate hikes. In fact, a September rate cut is now looking more and more likely. And when the Fed cuts rates, it's like opening the floodgates of liquidity into the market. This is fantastic news for risk assets like crypto, and we're already seeing the positive effects. But it's not just about the Fed. We're also seeing a massive wave of institutional adoption. The big players on Wall Street are no longer just dipping their toes in the crypto waters. They're diving in headfirst. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, now holds a staggering $100 billion in crypto. Their Bitcoin ETF has been a massive success, and their Ethereum ETF is not far behind. And it's not just BlackRock. JP Morgan is also reporting that institutional adoption is building momentum, with 85% of companies planning to allocate to digital assets by 2025. This is a huge vote of confidence in the future of crypto, and it's providing a solid foundation for this bull run. So, while the charts might look like a wild ride, there are some powerful fundamental drivers that are keeping this train on the tracks. Now, let's put on our technical analyst hats and take a look at the charts. What are the key levels to watch, and what are the experts saying? According to leading market expert Joao Wedson, Bitcoin's current cycle is looking a lot like previous bull runs. But with a twist, he believes that the cycles are getting longer, which means that the current rally could have a lot more room to run. He's even suggesting that $124,000 might not be the top for this cycle. That's a bold prediction, but it's backed by some solid historical analysis. From a technical perspective, all eyes are on the $115,000 level for Bitcoin. If it can break through this key resistance, we could see a massive breakout towards the $117,000 mark and beyond. However, traders should also be cautious. there are some warning signs of a potential bull trap, so it's important to manage your risk and not get too carried away. As for Ethereum, it's showing some serious strength, but it's also facing some resistance. The key level to watch is $4,500. If it can break through that, we could see a new all-time high in the near future. But what about the regulators? Well, it seems like they're finally starting to come around. The SEC has unveiled a new agenda to revamp crypto policies and provide more clarity for the industry. This is a huge step in the right direction, and it's giving investors a lot more confidence in the long-term viability of crypto. So, while there are always risks involved, the technicals, the fundamentals, and the regulatory environment are all pointing towards a very bright future for the crypto market. So, there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the crypto market's latest and greatest. We've seen the good, the bad, and the bullish. From Bitcoin's epic surge to the rise of the altcoins, it's been a wild ride. But the most important takeaway is that the crypto market is more than just a speculative bubble. It's a rapidly evolving ecosystem with strong fundamental drivers and growing institutional support. The road ahead will undoubtedly have its bumps, but the future looks brighter than ever. What are your thoughts on the market? Are you bullish, bearish, or somewhere in between? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Bonnie's Life and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll be back soon with more in-depth analysis, expert interviews, and everything you need to know to stay ahead of the crypto curve. Until then, trade smart, stay informed, and remember, the future is decentralized.